Okay, gonna be some flashing lights here, people. The got the fidget spinner absolutely winging around now. All good. And the major difference here in the circuit, plugged in the volt robber, and it looks like it's charging up. So if that gets over 2 volts, it's on millivolts at the moment. Might even charge up. This thing's taken off, I tell you. Wow. Okay, we've got a lot of different things plugged in, to be honest, but yeah, just another update. Hoping to get it all running itself, really. That would be a good plan, but obviously we've got a battery firing up this circuit, which is then joined in to the Bedini circuit, and wow, yeah, it's still picking up, I think. Happy days. Volt robber up to 1955, 1956, yeah. Wow, I don't know if you can hear that. Absolutely hacking round and charging up. Wow. We'll see. Maybe I can leave it running. Might have to be a bit of a longer vid. Okay, we've got sort of slosh circuit going on. But I think it's still picking up speed. Absolutely incredible. Yeah. Up to 1972. Okay. Let's hope it doesn't shake itself apart on the bearing. Wow, that is hammering along. Have a look at the actual gap. Let's say that's about 1/4 of an inch gap, 5-6 mil. But I can hear some shaking. 19.8. What's going on? Oh my word. Is that continuously on? That is absolutely running away. $19.87. Did you hear that? Oh my word. If this gets over 2 volts, we might see some action with the volt robber. Getting a fair bit of vibration here. Okay, just focus on that for a second. Will it climb out? Ooh. Ah, I see, it's on the scale. 2 volts. Hey ho. Happy days. Okay, so we've still yet to get any light out of it, mind, but oh, I think let's turn this backlight off. Oh my word, look, we've charged up the volt robber. Look, here we go. It's absolutely hacking along. Okay, well, managed to put some charge into the volt robber. Back in biz. I'm getting a bit worried because this thing is really winging round now. Definitely got something going in. Wow. Okay. I think I'm gonna ease the power off for a bit. Might be interesting to see how it looks there. Okay. Well, heading in the right direction, hopefully. I'm going to back the power off. And maybe call it a day for there. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you wish. I'll see you on another one. Cheers.